Our Stratos E-Foil represents the next frontier in water sports, a masterful blend of cutting-edge technology, bold design, and performance that raises the bar for what's possible on the water. The Stratos E-Foil is your personal invitation to adventure, challenge boundaries, and discover brand new perspectives. Whether you're a seasoned hydrofoil rider or stepping onto the board for the first time, this manual will guide you through everything you need to unlock the full potential of your Stratos E-Foil and take your ride to the next level. Here's what's included in your Hyperlite Stratos E-Foil package. Stratos E-Foil board, battery pack, battery charger and cables, mast and propeller unit, fuselage and front and rear wings, hand remote controller and strap, hardware toolkit, ankle leash. Check your package for all listed items. If anything is missing or damaged, contact Hyperlite customer support at support@hyperlite.com. Charging the battery for the first time. Proper charging ensures the best performance and longevity for your battery. Connect the digital charger box to the battery. Align the charger's connectors with the battery's ports. Red to red, black to black. Attach the power cord to the digital charger. Insert the digital charger's power. Plug into a grounded wall outlet. Monitor the charge. The digital charger screen will display the battery's voltage and percentage of charge. To ensure a smooth setup, follow these steps. Use the suitcase-style handle side to carry the battery safely to your workspace. Fold out the two additional handles on the battery for lifting the battery onto the foil. Align the 4 holes on the bottom of the battery with the 4 prongs inside the board's battery compartment. Place the battery into the compartment with the suitcase handle end of the battery facing the front of the board. Ensure the battery seal is flush and secure. Use the provided star bolts and wrench to secure the battery. Place a star bolt in each corner and screw in loosely. Tighten the star bolts diagonally to achieve an even seal. Use provided star bolts sized M8 by 22 mm. Double check that all star bolts are fully tightened. With the battery installed, flip the board to begin mast assembly. Observe the mast port on the underside of the board. Insert the mast's male end into the port, ensuring the propeller faces away from the tail of the board. You will hear a chime indicating a proper connection has been established. Use the provided star bolts and wrench to attach the mast to the board. Tighten the fasteners diagonally for even alignment. Ensure the mast is straight and properly aligned with the board. Locate the front wing, fuselage, and rear wing in your E-Foil kit. Attach the front wing to the fuselage. It only fits one way. Secure the wing using the 2 provided star bolts, sized M8 by 22 mm. Ensure that you tighten star bolts only once both are set evenly. Attach the rear wing to the fuselage and tighten its 2 star bolts securely. Insert the fuselage with the attached wings into the mast. Ensure the assembly slides into the mast securely. Use the wrench to tighten all star bolts. Move your board to the water's edge and place it upside down. Secure the wrist strap for your remote controller. Attach the magnetic leash to your ankle. Activate the remote by pressing and holding the button on top until the screen powers on. The remote will display the message, "No signal. This is normal at this stage." Flip the board into the proper orientation once in deeper water. Connect the magnet to the circular port on the rear of the board. The magnet acts as the power switch for your board. Once connected, the board is on. Once disconnected, the board automatically powers off. Your remote control has a tapered trigger ranging from 0 to 100%. This will take a little bit of time to get used to. Start by pulling the trigger very lightly to get used to its operation. For a more consistent ride, the Stratos remote offers cruise control. To activate, bring yourself up to your desired speed. Press and hold the minus button until the cruise control is activated. The remote will now hold that speed no matter how hard you pull down on the trigger. For slight speed adjustment, press and hold the plus or minus button. When you let go of the trigger, it will automatically turn off the cruise control. Your speed will need to be reset every time you let go of the trigger. When learning, we recommend setting your Stratos E-Foil between 30 and 40% for a smooth, comfortable ride.